No, I want this fucking lighter.
Hey, that guy was lighter.
I can butt more sales.
Because your ability to set that off right.
Sir, if your hair catches on fire, mine is too.
What sense does that make?
Because other than this,
don't want to see
I don't know. I hate
Yeah, baby!
No.
Get
away.
No.
It's every single one of them that do that.
That's awesome. No, it's probably gonna get speedier and fucking then tip over and start shooting him out. It's gonna get really Asian up in this bitch.
You're really Asian.
It's like a professional show.
Oh yeah. We
What?
Right?
We ain't fucking professional shit.
We're doing Jamaica playing the
Got a
circus.
beat though.
You can see the ship.
It's like
We're doing the city of Boston a favor right now.
Entertaining the
I think it's gotten. Go take a look. Oh!
Yeah, double it. Double it up. Double it. No.
Give that at least 5
For real?
minutes before you go.
And kick Cooper as well.
Definitely go check it. Definitely go check it.
Somebody's shaking
a bit.
I call clown shoes on that statement. I nominate.
I see someone going to check it.
Low crawl. I know we're low crawling right now.
I'm really hung out with her.
Don't actually check it. My face! There's no need to check it. You can just assume it's done.